Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St. Andrew. We're in the Ligony area. As you can see, it's raining very heavy. So we're just going to make a video to see what the drainage looks like. See the roads get flooded. Basically a lot of persons complain that when it rains in Jamaica, the roads get flooded. So not sure how clear this video is going to be, but we're going to try it and see. Well, we are on Hope Road now, heading towards the Half Tree area. And there's water on the road, but nothing to the level of flooding. So this road seems to be okay. Another thing that happens when it rains in Jamaica is the gullies get backed up with water, or there's a lot of water flowing through, so persons don't drive through for safety reasons. So you find that the main roads get clogged up with traffic, because when persons can't drive through the gullies, they have to stay on the main road. And for those of you who aren't from Jamaica, once I drive through the gully, it's like the gully intersects the road. So we're on the main road, but we just have to pass through the portion of the gully that intersects the main road. We're not actually driving in a gully, but that's how we refer to it. So I guess the correct way to say it would be we're driving across. But we're going to take a look. I don't know which gully is closely here though. We're just going to drive around and see what the roads look like. Okay, this section of the road, it's fine. The drainage seems to be working great. There's no, maybe it didn't rain that heavy down here, but it's fine. Actually turn off the wipers. Okay, so we are on Hope Road, and we're going to go down to the next intersection and turn onto East King's House Road. And then we go up into the Barbican area. Okay, at this intersection, if we were to go straight, I don't know if you can make it up, but there's a lot of traffic on the road straight ahead. That would take us into Halfway Tree, that's Hope Road. If we turn, I don't know if you noticed a while ago where that police car turned or went straight across the road. That's the entrance to King's House. It's on the right. If we turn left, that's Lady Musgrave Road, and that would lead us towards Crossroads. And we're going to turn right, so we're going to go on to East King's House Road towards the Barbican area. Now as we turn, you're going to see some palm trees. Okay, we're turning now, and a little guardhouse. That's the entrance to King's House. Okay, so on the left, actually we should have just turned and go. Okay, next time we'll drive to the gate. So now on the left you see a lot of open land. That's the property for King's House. It sits on a large land, or large land. It sits on a lot of acres of land. As you can see, it's empty, there are no structures on it, and that land or the property is part of King's House. And I'm assuming the Jamaican government or the government in England owns it. I'm not sure who. Probably the Jamaican government, but King's House is where the Governor General lives, and the Governor General is the Queen's representative in Jamaica. So it basically he signs everything on behalf of the Queen. So to open Parliament, he would go on behalf of the Queen, and as you know, the Queen is still the head of state in Jamaica. So a lot of activity takes place over at King's House. So let's say the government wanted to issue a state of emergency. The Prime Minister would then have to go to King's House and the Governor General sign the paperwork allowing the state of emergency to take place. So a lot of activity in terms of the government takes place over there, but that property was built years ago, probably from the time the English were controlling Jamaica, and it's how would you say, a developer's paradise. They have the amount of acres of prime real estate over there, and beside it is Jamaica House, which also has a lot of property, a lot of land, but not as much as King's House. But it's probably a national heritage site, so nobody is supposed to build over there or anything. And I remember back in the day, I would go over to King's House as part of a school tour, and once I even met the Governor General at the time. I think it was Sir Florizel Glasgow, and it's a very nice tour. I'm not sure if they still give the tours, but it was a nice experience. Okay, as you can see now, we're in the Barbican area, and you can see the water running off into the drains. So the drains in this area seem to work fine. Okay, at this part of the road now, you see where you have the dual carriageway and you have the concrete barricade. This is how East King's House Road is going to look all the way down to Hope Road. They're going to renovate it soon, and it will definitely help with the flow of traffic. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but this was not always the intersection with Barbican Road. There was a roundabout that you would take. I'm going to drive on it next time and explain it better, but this intersection was recently put in, and it helped a great deal with the flow of traffic. So if we turn left, we stay on Barbican Road. If we turn right, we would go on to Barbican Road also, but head towards the Jacks Hill or the Ligonier area. When we turn left, we would go towards the Arcadia area or the Russell Heights area. As you can see, it's a very nice dual carriageway. Government did an excellent job renovating this road. On the left, that's a new structure. It's a COVID drive-through clinic. It's a temporary structure where you can do the COVID test. Now, as of today in Jamaica, you don't need to do a COVID test to come into the island, but to travel from Jamaica to the US, you have to do a COVID test or present a negative COVID test to board the plane. So that's why you have a lot of these COVID testing sites around the area. But they're usually in temporary structures because hopefully one day this COVID will end and you no longer need to do COVID tests. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.